Yeah.
This is very cozy now. When you get that big stelaža nicely, you know what I mean with it? Da se ono može namjestiti like all
What
different
are you
kinds of ways.
doing?
Na primjer, na TV tu sjediš,
Huh?
a dve tamo kao.
Jedna tamo.
Pa dobro, koliko je široka, naravno. Koliko je široka. Oh, okay, pa da, znači tu za TV. I don't know, you think white, eh?
Ja sam mislila white samo zbog svjetlosti.
A na šta se ja ne bi white? To je znaš što je
I would get white or really, really dark brown.
Yeah, like I wouldn't go black. I'll do some kind of dark brown or something.
Well, like black would match.
Hmm?
How is it then?
It doesn't matter. Even something similar to the floors would look good, you know?
Yeah, if it was the color of the floors, white or black would look good.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't really think white that much.
No, white wouldn't look good. It's gonna get dirty. It's gonna look too like. Yeah, I'd rather like